बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज का जो हमारा टारगेट है वो है यूनिट 9। आज इंशाल्लाह ताला हम यूनिट 9 कंप्लीट करेंगे। यूनिट 9 जो है टीचर एजुकेशन एंड चैलेंजेस ऑफ 21st सेंचुरी। हम पहले यूनिट के इंट्रोडक्शन और लर्निंग आउटकम स्टडी करेंगे। फिर 9.1 में टीचर्स टूल किट स्टडी करेंगे डिटेल में। न्यू प्रोफेशनल प्रोफाइल टू द टीचिंग स्टाफ, कोऑपरेटिव टीचिंग, रेमेडियल टीचिंग, पार्टनरशिप विद टीचर ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूशंस, रिफ्लेक्टिव प्रैक्टिस, एक्शन रिसर्च डिटेल में स्टडी करेंगे। द प्रोमिस फॉर द 21st सेंचुरी एंड लास्ट में समरी ऑफ यूनिट। इंट्रोडक्शन। Over the past century, there have been many profound social, economic and technological transformation। जो पास्ट सेंचुरीज हैं वहाँ पे बहुत सी जो प्रोफाउंड सोशल, इकोनॉमिक एंड टेक्नोलॉजिकल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है। The future scenarios of the social, political, economic and cultural sectors will depend on the contributions of today's school students। More than ever before, education has to be visionary and future oriented to face of the stunning technological and scientific changes and innovations, unprecedented socio-economic challenges and opportunities. Educational innovations are imperative and would no doubt be effective if they are research based and imbued with technology of education and technology in education। A teacher's toolkit। A teacher's toolkit is an independent source which provides guidance for teachers and schools on how to use their resources for attainment and improvement of disadvantaged peoples। Toolkit is an accessible summary of education research on the strength, evidence of the effectiveness of different techniques and their applicability. It contains a supplement to rather than a substitute for professional judgment। It is important to emphasize that applying findings from educational research in now context is never simple. Much depends on school, its teachers, their levels of knowledge and experience, its pupils, their level of attainment and their social background, and the educational outcomes that a teacher wants to improve knowledge and skills or understanding attitudes and dispositions. Listening, perceiving, observing, focus, attention. New professional profile of the teaching staff. The term professional and its application to teachers need to be re-examined in the light of changing aims of education. Its teachers and students professional has different meanings in different contexts. In teaching is scenario, this term inextricably involves the questions of salary, status, and autonomy themes. National professional standards, subject matter knowledge, human growth and development, knowledge of Islamic ethical values, social life skills, instructional planning and strategies, assessment, learning environment, effective communication and proficient use of information communication technologies, collaboration and partnerships, continuous professional development and code of conduct. Cooperative teaching. Cooperative teaching, as the name applied, is to be cooperative with the colleagues in teaching. It must not be taken as cooperation to substitute for the other teacher. It is collaborating with the increase in demands on the teacher's time. It is worthwhile to be familiarized with the cooperative teaching. Elements of cooperative teaching: positive interdependence, individual account, face to face, primitive interaction, appropriate use of collaborative skills, group processing, basic for selecting a co-teaching approach. Co-teaching is most effective when the approaches used are deliberately selected. Here are four factors to weigh in selecting a co-teaching approach. Number one, student characteristics and needs, teacher characteristics and needs, curriculum including content and instructional strategies, pragmatic considerations. Cooperative teaching approaches: one teach, one observe, one teach, one. Parallel teaching, station teaching, alternative teaching, team teaching. Importance of cooperative teaching: enrichment opportunities, tiered levels of instruction within the classroom, access to a variety of instructional strategies supported by two highly qualified instructors, a supportive system for educators that addresses students' needs, opportunities for peer instructions, accommodations for students. Remedial teaching. Remedial teaching is defined in the Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary as connected with school students who are slower at learning than others. The remedial teaching can also be defined as the name implies is designed to cater to the needs of children unable to keep pace with the teaching learning process in a normal classroom. Remedial teaching will act as a safety valve for the students who are behind the expected level of achievement. It involves diagnostic of specific difficulties, provide suitable remedial measures, and provide support to prevent reoccurring of them again in future. Characteristics of learning among people with learning difficulties: short attention span and are easily distracted by other things, relatively poor comprehensive power, lack of learning motivation, lack of self confidence and relatively low self expectation, weak in problem solving power, fail to grasp information effectively and mix things up easily, have difficulty in understanding new abstract concepts, need more time to complete assignments or tasks. Objectives of remedial teaching: the aim of remedial is to provide learning support to people who lag far behind their counterparts in school performance by adopting school curricula and teaching strategies. Teachers can provide learning activities and practical experiences to students according to their abilities and needs. They can also design individualized educational programs with intensive remedial support to help pupils consolidate their basic knowledge in different subjects, matter the learning methods, strengthen their confidence, and enhance the effectiveness of learning. Principle of remedial teaching: remedial teaching should be planned properly. Various learning activities should be devised. Meaningful learning situations must be designed. Different teaching approaches should be adopted. Clear instructions should be provided. Main points must be summarized. Learning interest and motivation should be enhanced. The learning process should be focused. Show concern for the performance of individual pupils. Remedial teaching strategies: individualized educational program, peer support program, reward scheme, handling pupils' behavior problems, partnership with teacher training institutions.